What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage. If y'all tuning in, I hope y'all consider subscribing, like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever. Welcome to the series. Is it worth it? We're going to be looking at this 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2-door. It's going for $13,000. Alright, guys, so this, it looks like it's wrapped. I don't know if it's wrapped or not, but yeah, exterior green. I wonder if it's wrapped or anything. But anyway, this is a wide body 1985 Chevrolet Corvette. I wonder if this would be the C4, right? Let me see if this thing got a video. Okay, let's restart this over again. It sounds pretty good. Look like it got them R1 wheels on. It sounds good. Got a nice little chop to it. Interior looking great, looking pretty mint. It looked pretty good in there. To be a 1985, I look pretty good and all that. Compared to my Porsche 944 that's apart right now. Anyway, guys, this is the Corvette right here. As y'all can see, we got some aftermarket lights, and we got some aftermarket bumpers, and I'm pretty sure aero kits. But anyway, driven 65,000 miles, manual transmission. Exterior is green, interior is black, fuel is gasoline. Alright, the seller's description. Selling this wide body Corvette for a friend. Clean title, very unique, as you can see, with a lot of work done. Manual trans, body kit, niche wheels, coilovers, borla exhaust, Recaro seats, and a lot of new interior pieces. Mostly stock engine with only 65k original miles, or great LSX swap candidate. Yeah, you could throw an LSX in that thing. That would be totally bad. They in Delray Beach, Florida. So if anybody looking to get this thing, this was listed 4 weeks ago, but I seen it and I thought it was a pretty cool car. Anyway, this is the side profile and all that. I mean, look pretty cool. The wheels look okay. I feel like the wheels might have to come out just a little bit. But because I know when you do wide body kits and all that, you normally want to have your wheels poke out instead of them, being in just a little bit. But it looks so cool. Reminds me of like a Batmobile for some odd reason. I don't know why. It looks so cool. Got rear, got the back, got another side profile, got another profile, another. I like it a lot. It looked pretty cool. Bumper and all that is pretty chipped up and all that. Hey, $13K for that. God dang. Interior looks cool. They got the Recaro seats. Look like we got an aftermarket steering wheel. I think that's a Momo. Gotta be the shifter. It look pretty clean in there. To be a 1985, look pretty clean. The gauge, though, it look pretty cool right there. Dang, just to think back in 1985, they had like a digital gauge. That's crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know y'all thoughts down below. I think it's a pretty cool car. 13 grand. Oh no, I feel like that's kind of pushing it. Let's see, 1985. We're gonna look this up. Hold up. Can I look this up like this? Yes, I can look this up on the side. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's look at 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Classic for sale. I want me a Corvette. My dream always been to have a Corvette. So this is a 1985 Corvette Coupe, 102. It's going for $5 grand. 100,000 miles, and the one that we looking at is 65,000. This one, I guess depending on the mileage, this one is going for 9,500. Okay, well, it's a private seller and all that. Let's see, we go back. Ooh, 8,000 miles. Okay. I guess it's just depending on the mileage. I mean, these Corvettes are pretty cool and all that. Like, y'all got this 1985 Chevrolet Corvette coupe up here for 94,000. That's going for like 11 grand. And this look more mint, more original and all that. I mean, this car right here modified. I'll probably at least, I don't know, 10 grand maybe. But this is a original right here. This is the original right here. Look at the gauges, y'all. They look pretty cool. It look pretty cool. And of course, we got. Oh, I love Corvettes, man. I gotta get me one. Before I leave this earth, I gotta get a Corvette. Damn, this one going for 16. This one clean. Nah, this remind me of like a Batmobile for real. Interior's nice. The factory seats are pretty cool, and then plus the Recaro seats, if you compare both of them. Damn, that thing look pretty freaking mint. Oh my goodness. This remind me of the legit street cars Corvette. Oh my goodness. I know you can put a supercharge on here. And I know they got that spark and what they call that thing for the ignition side. Let me see. Legit street car. Let me see. Corvette. I don't even know if I spelled that right, y'all. I'm just typing away. Make sure I'll add it right. Is it gonna show? Is that it's a C5, right? I believe. I might be wrong. Oh, why didn't it show? Hello, let me see. It's not showing. I can't see no pictures. Let me see if I go on YouTube real quick. Let me see if I go on this channel real quick. Videos. Which one he did? I got so many other YouTube channels and all that. I have them on my other. I have been watching his videos. I love his videos. Where is that Corvette? Oh, here we go. Yeah, that Corvette right there. But when did he got it? See, he got. Yeah, I remember watching that video. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is the car right here. So Yeah, this is the Corvette right here, mint condition. But that's the reason why I wanted do this video though. But let's see if I can close that link. Would I be able to close that link? Yeah, close window. Okay. Alright guys, that might be pretty much it. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below. Let me see, copy, paste in there. They up there though. I guess depending. Oh, that's crap. We got them for $5,000. Anyway, guys, it just depends on the I feel like the condition of the car. I mean, they did put a lot of work in this car. I mean, if they want $13,000 for it, I mean that's pretty cool. Probably about like 11 to about 1,200 maybe. But hey, he want 13 for it. There'd be somebody out there willing to buy it and all that if they really want to get their hands on the Corvette. I noticed if somebody really want to get it, they would pay for it, no matter how much. But I just want to look at it, share this car and all that, and shoot, hopefully somebody see it and probably reach out to this guy here. But it's a pretty cool car. I like it. I love Corvettes and all that. They something about them. They something else, man. They beautiful, but they look pretty cool. They look pretty cool. Let me know y'all thoughts down below. I'll see y'all on the next.